Hello, my friends in grade 9. I'm here, but not really here. I am currently in the building, but I am in a meeting with the people who are in charge of the student teachers, making sure that they teach really good grade 9 math. And that is exactly what I'm here to do with you today. And although I'm not here, you can listen to my voice. We will be watching this video, and then we will be doing a worksheet which I have prepared for you. So, I know what you're wondering. Madame Raven, I every time there's an operation, an equation with so many multiplication signs, division signs that I don't know what to do. I don't know how to do it because I don't know the order of operations. Well, I know you do actually know the order of operations, so don't lie. We will be introducing one new part of the order of operations. So, can anyone tell me what the BEDMA stands for? And it does not mean más as in Spanish, meaning more, and bed. It does not mean more bed. It is an abbreviation. The B stands for what? I'm glad you all raised your hand. Uh, it stands for bracket. That's right. And also parentheses. Fun fact, brackets are like this, and parentheses are like this. That's the difference. They mean the same thing, though. What does the E stand for? Raven? Is it the thing that we've been talking about for the past 2 weeks? That's right. Exponents. The exponents go first. And I know you know the last four: division, multiplication, addition, and subtraction. So I was at myself a lot more here. I was at a math competition because I'm a mathematic. I'm a mathematic, like I'm addicted to math. And they asked me this question. They said, all right, if you can answer this, you win the math competition. 6 times 3 plus 2 to the power of 2 divided by 2. And they said, if I can answer this question, that I win all of the money, $500. That's a lot of money, more money than I have. So, how do I do this question? Spoiler alert, I did not win because I didn't know the order of operations. So that's why I went to school to study math for many years so that I could do this question. So first I want to look at PEDMA, or BEDMAs, I mean. And I want to know which one to do first. So I look at the brackets, I see the brackets, and I'll do that first because the bracket's the first one. So I'll do 3 plus 2 equals, what does it equal? 5. The power of 2 divided by 2. All right, we're moving on. What do I do next? Oh, exponents. Exponents are next. So I do 6 times, here we go, scroll down. 6 times, what's 5 to the power of 2? Anyone? It's 25. Thank you so much to the students for answering that question. 25 divided by 2. What do I do next? I look at this and I go, okay, 6 times 25 divided by 2, what do I do? Well, we know that multiplication and division go next. Fun thing about multiplication and division. I didn't tell you before. Multiplication and division are basically equal. Same with addition and subtraction. So in this case, when you have division and multiplication, or maybe several divisions and several multiplications, you want to complete the operations from left to right. Isn't that cool? I agree. So going back down to this question, we have multiplication and division. So because these are equal, we do them from left to right. And so I'll do 6 times 25. Does anyone know what 6 times 25 is? That's right, it's 150. Why? Because 4 times 25, if I have 4 quarters, that's $1. And if I have another 2 quarters, it's $1.50. So 150 divided by 2. And then I do the divided by 2. So 150 divided by 2 is 70. And that is how we do this equation. Thank you. And let's do another one. Let's do 7 to the power of 2 plus 5 to the power of 0. You want to see my cat? Okay, go away. I'm teaching Matt. All right. 7 to the power of 2 plus 5 to the power of 0 divided by minus 5 to the power of 1. So this is like if we have 7 to the power of 2 plus 5 to the 0 in parentheses divided by minus 5 to the power of 1. And so first we want to start with what's in the parentheses, right? So we'll start at the top because 2 parentheses, do the first one first. Obviously, so we have exponents here next. So we'll do the exponents in the top. So this is equal to 7 to the power of 2. What is that? Oh, it's 49 plus 5 to the power of 0. That is equal to 1. We learned that last class. And divided by, not last class, but the class before, but it was today for me, divided by minus 5 to the power of 1, which is equal to minus 5. In parentheses, we'll keep that in parentheses. And then we want to do 49 plus 1 is equal to 50 divided by minus 5. At this point, there's no point in keeping the parentheses because we did everything we could inside of them. So 50 divided by minus 5, that's like if we had minus 50 divided by 5, right? This is going to be a negative. Positive divided by a negative. That's going to equal negative. And the answer is negative 10. And I know that's exactly what you guessed. Great work. And now you're going to do your worksheet. Thank you so much for listening and have a great day.